In the last episode, we covered creating your first project in Walnut AI, giving your project a name, connecting your tools, launching your workspace. In this episode, we'll cover connecting Jira to your Walnut AI project, mapping your fields, setting up live sync, understanding what happens when you delete a requirement. Let's get into it. Before connecting Jira to Walnut AI, you need an API token from your Jira account. Log into Jira and click your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Account Settings. Go to the Security tab, scroll down to API Tokens, and click Create and Manage API Tokens. Click Create API Token, give it a name, something like Walnut AI, and click Create. Your token will be generated and displayed. Copy it immediately. Jira won't show it again once you close this screen. Keep it handy for the next step. You also need to install the Walnut AI Sync app inside your Jira account. In Jira, go to Apps in the top navigation and click Explore More Apps. Search for Walnut Sync, find it, and install it. Once installed, head back to Walnut AI to complete the connection. In Walnut AI, while creating a new project or editing an existing one, navigate to the External Data and Connections step, select Connect External Tools, and then choose Jira. This opens the Jira Sync configuration, a 4-step flow: credentials, project, fields, and summary. On the credentials step, enter your Jira URL, the email address on your Jira account, and the API token you just copied. Click Test Connection. Once verified, click Next. On the project step, you'll see a confirmation that you're connected to Jira. From the Jira project dropdown, select the project you want to sync with your Walnut AI project. Click Activate to confirm the selection. There is also a boards option, which is optional. You can select specific Jira boards to sync with Walnut AI. Click Next to continue. Step 3 is field mapping, configuring how Jira fields map to Walnut AI fields. There are 2 sub-tabs: User Stories and Issue Types. In User Stories, you'll see field-to-field mappings. For example, Jira's labels field maps to Walnut AI's tags, and assignee maps to assignee name. To let AI auto-detect the best mappings, click Regenerate. Once done, click Save Mappings. In Issue Types, you'll see how each Walnut AI type maps to a Jira issue type: defect to bug, epic to epic, feature to feature, task to task, and user story to story. You can add custom mappings or adjust existing ones, then click Save Mappings here too. Make sure to save in both tabs before proceeding. Click Finish to move to the summary. The summary screen shows your full Jira connection: the Jira URL, connected project, boards configuration, and the email used. Status will show as active, confirming the integration is live. If anything needs changing, click Edit Connection. Otherwise, click Done. Your Jira integration is now connected. Now let's set up how data flows between Walnut AI and Jira. Go to the main menu, then Admin Settings, and select the Jira Sync Configuration section. Select the project you just connected Jira to, and turn on the sync direction toggles. If you want to push requirements from Walnut AI into Jira, turn on the Walnut to Jira toggle. Push changes to Jira. If you want to pull requirements from Jira into Walnut AI, turn on the Jira to Walnut toggle. Pull changes from Jira. If you want bidirectional sync, changes in either tool reflected in both, turn both toggles on. Once your direction is set, click Sync, then Start Sync. You'll see a progress indicator in real time, pulled from Jira and pushed to Jira, with a progress bar tracking each item. Once complete, you'll see the initial sync totals. For example, pulled 5 from Jira, pushed 5 to Jira. Go to Action Items in Walnut AI and your requirements are there. Open Jira and they're there too. Because live sync is on, any requirement created in either app from this point forward will automatically sync to the other in real time. To turn live sync off at any point, go back to Admin Settings and switch the toggle off. One thing worth understanding before you start syncing requirements is what happens when you delete something. Walnut AI gives you 3 options for delete behavior, and the right choice depends on how tightly you want the 2 tools connected. The first option is Unlink. If you delete a requirement in Walnut AI, it gets unlinked from Jira. The sync between that item is broken, and the deletion does not reflect in Jira. The issue stays exactly as it is in Jira, and the requirement is deleted only in Walnut AI. This is the safest option if you want deletions in one tool to stay contained. The second option is transition to done or closed. If you delete a requirement in Walnut AI, instead of deleting the corresponding Jira issue, it gets marked as done or closed in Jira. So the item isn't deleted in Jira, it's just closed out. The third option is delete the Jira issue. If you delete a requirement in Walnut AI, the corresponding Jira issue is permanently deleted as well. This is the most aggressive option. The deletion propagates fully to Jira. Use this only if you're confident you want deletions to mirror across both tools. Choose the option that fits how your team works, and set it before you start actively syncing and creating items across both platforms. That's the full Jira integration. Connecting your account, mapping fields, setting up sync direction, running the initial sync, and understanding what happens when requirements are deleted. In the next episode, we'll cover connecting Azure DevOps to your Walnut AI project, mapping Azure boards and work item types, verifying the connection, and testing the sync. What's different between Jira and Azure setup? Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop any questions in the comments.